Hello students, I am going to explain you various types of instruments used in engineering drawing in this video, only the instruments. I am making this series of videos explaining engineering drawing for IPU University and this is the beginning of engineering drawing and for engineering drawing you need to have some instruments like what I have written over here. Like you can see, this list of the instruments will be given to every student which has got admission in the first year of any type of engineering in India, and you will see that this subject is compulsory in all the branches. So this is very useful video for those who are in their first year and they have just seen this subject as first time. So in this video and in this subject, it's called as engineering drawing or engineering graphics. You need some particular instruments to draw the engineering projections. So first of all, the instrument is mini drafter. This is mini drafter. You see, this instrument is fixed at one point and you can control its movement from this end and this end. I will explain you how to control it, how to use it in another video, but currently I am focusing on the instruments which are very important to purchase in this subject. Okay, so first of all, what I have shown you is mini drafter. Another thing is the cartridge sheets. That is normal sheets like you have seen in the chart paper. The size of these sheets are A1 size. So I am using here, you can see this is a A4 paper. So A1 sheet is 4 times bigger than this. 4 times. If you double this, then it will become a A3 paper, and then you double that A3 paper, it will convert it into A2, and if you convert that A2 into another multiple, if you add 2 A2 paper, then you will get a A1 sheet. So in Indian market you will easily see this cartridge sheet, and there are various qualities of this cartridge sheet, and you may find this price of this sheet is around 5 to 7 rupees only, and you can find it in yellowish color or in pure white color. Basically there is a term called GSM that is used for the quality of the paper or the density of the paper. GSM is actually, you can say it more probably the more the pure is the paper, it is more having a GSM. Like this printout were used in printers, and you purchase a bundle of a printer paper, then you will find some value of GSM is written over there. So I am talking about the cartridge sheet only, and if you go further you can purchase for ivory sheet. They cost you 10 rupees, and in more advanced version for drafting purposes you can go for A0 ivory sheets, and this process is infinite. You can go in any direction for the quality. Okay, the most quality sheets which are available in the market is basically are those which are used for photographs. Like you have seen your printed photographs in studios, print color studios, they were using that sort of high quality GSM paper. So the quality can be anything, whatever you want you will get in the market. So next thing would be your tape. You can purchase a tape like this. This is half-inch tape. Tape standards varies from half-inch to 4-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and again there are very few companies which this is 2-inch tape, and there are various type of companies in this material also, and usually the company which is called as Apex has a very good quality tapes. You can also use a paper tape. Today in the carpenters, like the person which are manufacturing cardboard or wooden subjects, so they were using a special sort of tape that is called as paper tape. I have seen that, but you can also use that paper, that tape. And you can purchase a A2 board, like it is also available in the market. It's a wooden board. You can paste for your practice. You can paste your sheet like this board you are seeing here. This is not a A2 size. This is the table basically. So you can basically, if you want to work at home, if you don't have a proper table, then you can purchase a A2 board, or you may purchase a A1 board also, but that is very heavy, so you can't bear on your legs and you can't work on sitting on the bed. So you must see that which is usable for you. Then again there is a sheet box which is available in the market for the protection of the sheets, and sheet means these carded sheets. Again the next thing is the pencil. The pencil which are available, like this is an imported pencil. This is a Japanese PhD pencil. You can see a PhD is a company from Japan, and this is a series called PhD, and the company is Sanford. This pencil is made in Japan, and you can see it's a very heavy pencil. This cost you around 1000 rupees. There is a lot of quality in this segment also. You can see the quality of the thread, and the pressure here is very pressure sensitive. If you use this pencil, then you will feel there is a spring back mechanism in this pencil, as you can see. So there are many pencils which continuously provide the feed as you consume the lead, that will increase the length of the lead also, while they had an action of spring back action and including the feed action. So there are very typical and ergonomic pencils are available. So based on the standard, there are various type of leads are available, like this. This is a 2H leads. You can find it online, or you may find it. There are two standards, like this is the diameter of the lead and this is the darkness. If more H is there, then more lighter is the pencil, okay, and if more diameter is there, like this is 0.5, there are leads which are 0.7. so depending on the pencil, there is a written over here that this is a 0.5 millimeter pencil, and you can use only 0.5 mm lead. So this is a 2H lead, like you can also see this is a darker 2B LEDs are there. Then again this is HB. This is a standard LED HB. you can see most of the pencil like Nataraj and Apsara, which are Indian brand, are having written over this code HB. This means it is not a very light pencil and not very dark. But engineering drawing, you can't use an HB pencil. Exact HB standards doesn't match with the engineering drawing standards. No one can use HB pencil in engineering drawing by the standard if the HB color is as per the ISO standard. But in India, if you purchase the HB pencil, it works like a 2B pencil because of the standardization in the local market is not appropriate according to international level. So they just write extra dark on an HB pencil and they sell it, and you can use it at that HB pencil, and that works as a 2B pencil. So that's why you need to purchase a good pencil. You can purchase a wooden pencil or click pencil, anyone you want to purchase. Okay, then the another point is this is called as a compass. You should purchase a compass which is having this nose. So I'm talking about the compass. So you should purchase a pencil or compass which is having a pin in this closing side like this. If you put a pencil in this compass, then you must get something like this. If in the market you may find some compasses that in which the pencil remains the parallel, so that is not useful, because sometimes you have to draw very minute curves and very small circles, which is more accurately drawn with this compass. This is a very simple Camlin compass. You can purchase for SDI also. SDI company is also providing a very good engineering drawing compasses. SDI, remember the name. This is a Camlin compass. You can also purchase this. This is only cost for 28 rupees, and you can see you can also insert a small pen or small click pencil in this. You can also insert a click pen or a thin pencil, click pencil in it, so that you can draw a good circles, very fine circles with using a click pencil. You can also use this sort of wooden pencil, and you can see in Indian standard you can't see the HB written over it. They just write an extra dark version, so they doesn't write any 2B or anything, just they write extra dark. So these pencil are not HB standard, they were just written their own standard. So if you want a good pencil, then you should always seek for a standard like 2B, HB, all this must be written on that. Okay, so another thing is you need to purchase is scales. This is a small one, and you need to purchase the bigger one also for 15 centimeter and 1 foot scale. This is a 15 centimeter scale, and you should also have a 1 foot scale. This is a set square. It is not very useful for you, but sometimes you can have advantage of this because of these curves. Like these curves are very difficult. You may find some some places where these curves are useful, and not very much time, but very, these should be with your geometry. This is set square, this is a 90-degree set square, and there is a, don't need to purchase this much big, you just need to the small one. And then the important thing is the D protector. D protector means this. In order to make the angles, you need to have this D. It's called a D and D protector. And then you need this circle master. The circle master is having a lot of circles, you can see, and these circles are having multiple diameter is written over, like 20, 19, you can see this 5, this is 4, 3, 2, 1, and you cannot make these small circles with the help of compass. So this is very useful kind of thing, and it cost you around 30 to 40 rupees. And there are various versions of this also. You may find a round circular one, but this should be with yourself for engineering drawing. And that's all. And one other thing is the rubber. You must have a non-dust rubber. I don't have at this time because I am going to explain everything by using a pen, so I am not having the rubber at this time. So you must have seen the rubber, non-dust rubber from Apsara. You should purchase a rubber which do not produce a lot of dust, a lot of blackishness. Like if you purchase sometimes you purchase a rubber and it will become very hard, and sometimes it becomes blackish. There are various type of rubber standards are available. One company which I would suggest is the Stanford. That company is which I would always suggest is this Stadler. Stadler is a German company, and you may find pencils and various other things on the internet, and you may find these rubbers on a good stationery shop. This is very good rubber, and this doesn't become hard, and it doesn't produce any sort of dust, or it takes off the pencil carbon, and it doesn't make the sheet, sometimes you have to rub very hard in order to wash out, to remove the pencil marks. You need a very soft, if you use this rubber, you just need to softly rub this rubber, and it will deeply remove the carbon from the sheet. If you use it, then you will find. The similar rubber is from Apsara. If you purchase an Apsara rubber, Apsara non-dust erasers, this is also a non-dust eraser you may find on the market, and you also have used it. It is a very, very good, not that much good as Stadler, but it is very good rubber. Okay, you can also go for any other company, like Nataraj is also very good company for this type of things. So all these instruments which I have told you are very essential for engineering drawing. in IPU University subject, which is a basic engineering drawing and engineering graphics in uh, various other university all over the India. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.